Welcome. In this session, we will explore effective intervention strategies for children with specific learning disabilities at the elementary school level. This video is designed specifically for special educators working with students with moderate SLD, aiming to provide practical, step-by-step approaches to support learning and skill development. We begin with a brief overview of SLD, which involves difficulties in reading, writing, or math despite average intelligence. Common signs in elementary-age children include struggles with reading fluency, comprehension, spelling, and basic arithmetic. The importance of early and targeted intervention cannot be overstated for these students. Effective intervention begins with conducting detailed assessments to understand each child's unique strengths and challenges. Following assessment, the next step is creating an individualized education plan, or IEP, with clear, measurable goals tailored to the student. Crucially, this process involves collaborating with teachers, parents, and therapists to ensure consistent support across all environments. For reading support, we recommend using multisensory approaches that engage visual, auditory, and tactile senses. It's also beneficial to break reading tasks into small, manageable steps, making the learning process less daunting. Regular guided reading sessions with immediate feedback are essential for building confidence and skill. When providing writing support, graphic organizers are excellent tools to help students plan their thoughts and structure their writing. Additionally, providing sentence starters and structured prompts can significantly aid in overcoming writing blocks. Incorporating typing or other technology-assisted writing tools can also be highly effective for students who struggle with handwriting. For math support, hands-on manipulatives are invaluable for understanding abstract concepts. Step-by-step instruction for problem-solving helps students develop a clear process. Visual aids like charts, number lines, and diagrams further reinforce mathematical understanding. Beyond academics, behavioral and emotional support is crucial, starting with positive reinforcement for small achievements. Encouraging self-esteem and motivation through praise helps build a resilient learner. It's also important to monitor frustration levels and provide breaks when necessary to prevent burnout. Monitoring progress is key. Track improvement through regular assessments to gauge effectiveness. Adjust intervention strategies based on the child's response, ensuring flexibility and responsiveness. Document achievements and challenges for future planning, creating a comprehensive record of their journey. Finally, collaboration and communication are paramount. Regularly update parents and teachers about progress. Foster a supportive learning environment both at school and home to create a consistent network of care. By implementing structured, evidence-based strategies, special educators can empower children with moderate SLD to achieve their potential. Remember, patience, consistency, and collaboration are key to successful intervention.